If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, we're going to make a super easy shawl. We're going to be using double crochet, and this is the one that I made so far as a Christmas gift. So this is the exact same shawl we're going to be making here. For the tutorial, I'm going to be using the Yarn Bee Sugar Reel Cotton Solids. The shawl that you just saw is also a 100% cotton yarn by Yarn Bee. Super soft for being 100% cotton, which is really great. So just start with your slip knot, and I'm using a 4mm hook. You can use any yarn and corresponding hook that you like for this. So I'll begin by chaining 4, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first chain in the row. So we'll just be closing that up into a circle. All right, so we're going to make we're going to chain 3, and that's going to count as your first double crochet. And we'll make 3 more double crochets into this circle. Two and 3. From here we'll chain 2, and then we'll make 4 double crochets again into the circle. Two, 3, and 4. So this is row 1. And from here we're going to chain 3 and turn. So we're going to make 2 double crochets into this very first stitch right here at the bottom. So we'll make 2 double crochets, 2, and you're going to double crochet into each stitch until we get to this opening right here. So just putting 1 double crochet into each stitch along. Alright, so once we've gotten to this chain space from the row below, we're going to put 1 double crochet into the space, and then we're going to chain 2 and put another double crochet into this big space. Right, then we're going to continue into the next stitch and make a double crochet, and we'll double crochet into each stitch along. Alright, so once you've got just this chain left from the row below, we're going to put 3 double crochets into the top of this chain 3 from the row below. Two and 3. Right, so you can already see it's kind of forming here. You'll have your chain 2s right in the middle and weave in that at the end. This is a super simple shawl. I really enjoyed making this. So we'll chain 3 and turn. You'll do that for each round. 2 double crochets into this very first stitch. And then 1 double crochet into each stitch along until you get to your chain 2 space from the row below. Alright, once you've reached your chain 2 space, we'll do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into each stitch along until you get to the end of this row. Right, so at the end of the row, remember you have this chain 3 from the row below, and we're going to put 3 double crochets into the top of that chain 3. And that will complete the row. So again, you can already see the formation of the shawl here. This will be down the middle. And it's really that simple. Chain 3 and turn, and just repeat that until you have the shawl the size that you would like. So we'll do one more row, 2 double crochets into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into each stitch along until you reach your chain 2 space from the row below. Right, so that was the last double crochet here, and we've made it to our chain 2 space. We'll do 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 1 double crochet, and then working into the next stitch, we'll make 1 double crochet into each stitch along to the end of the row. And once you've gotten to the end of the row, you have your chain 3 right here from the row below, and you'll put 3 double crochets into the top of that chain space. Oops. And you're just going to keep repeating that until you've made it to the size of your shawl that you would like. So it's really that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.